Oh, good morning, Saugus. I'm Nina Ripoll, and today is Tuesday, November 19th.
And I'm Cardan Watson. This is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about the Gettysburg Address.
The Gettysburg Address, delivered by President Abraham Lincoln on November 19, 1863, is one of the most famous speeches in American history. It was given during the dedication of Soldiers' National Cemetery in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, following a pivotal Civil War battle.
In his address, Lincoln reflected on the principles of liberty and equality from the Declaration of Independence, honoring the soldiers who fought and died at Gettysburg and emphasizing that their sacrifice ensured the survival of the Union and its ideals.
The message of the Gettysburg Address extends beyond the Civil War, serving as a timeless reminder of the importance of unity and the pursuit of justice. To this day, the speech continues to inspire discussions about the meaning of democracy and the sacrifices required to uphold it. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
If you do not feel well, you must ask your teacher for a pass to the health office. The nurse will contact your parents if necessary.
The parking lot is only to be used by staff and seniors who paid for their parking spots. Any car in the parking lot without a permit will be ticketed and potentially towed.
If you forgot your student password or never got one, you can see Ms. Kutowski in the library to fix the issue.
REACH will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. UCLA will be hosting a presentation on Monday, December 2nd during first period in room Q1715. If you are interested in attending, you must obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein at lunch.
Saugus Theater will be presenting this year's fall play, Dracula, a comedy of terrors, tomorrow through Saturday, November 23rd at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $10 for students and $12 for general admission and can be purchased on GoFan.
Now let's go to Shanine Gavor-Gaz with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Shanine Gavor-Gaz with this week's ASB Minute. What are you thankful for? A friend? A teacher? If so, consider sending them a Grateful-gram. Grateful-grams are available this week at the outdoor stakes for just $1. They will be delivered on Friday to your chosen students and teachers along with a sweet treat. ASB is also hosting a book drive this week, running until Friday. If you would like to donate books, please drop them off in the library. Your donations will go to Friends of the Santa Clarita Library and will be distributed to local communities. For each book you donate, you will earn 15 minutes towards service hours. So, if you donate four books, you'll receive one full service hour. Every donation makes a difference. Don't forget to join us at the outdoor stage this Friday for our Thanksgiving-themed brunch time. Participants will have a chance to play Pin the Gobbler on the turkey. The winner will earn a spirit point. We look forward to seeing you all there. That's all from me. Now let's go to Connor Van Gessel with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Shanine. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Connor Van Gessel with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, and for the rest of the week, varsity boys basketball competes in Paul Sutton Tip-Off Classic at Providence High School at 3:30. Also for the rest of the week, JV boys basketball competes in the Heritage Christian JV tourney at Heritage Christian. Finally, for the rest of the week, Frosh boys basketball competes in the Hart Frosh tourney at Hart. Tomorrow, boys soccer plays Bellflower at Saugus. Frosh plays at 3:15, varsity plays at 5, and JV plays at 6:30. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. If you're interested in joining boys tennis, trials take place today at 3 on the tennis courts. Be sure to bring your racket, athletic attire, and water. If you have any questions, email Coach Sindel at the email listed below. If you're interested in joining track and field, trials will be held on December 3rd through December 5th, from 3 to 6. Be sure to bring athletic clothing and shoes without spikes. Athletes must sign up on a Google form. QR codes for the form will be posted on the outdoor stage. That's all from me. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, SNN would like to share some recipes to add to your table this holiday season.
Good morning, Saugus. This is Priscilla Piñate cooking with SNN. In this special Thanksgiving edition of Cooking with SNN, we will be making mac and cheese. This mac and cheese dish is the perfect Thanksgiving side to include this holiday season. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of pasta, 1 pound of Colby Jack cheese, 1 pound of mozzarella cheese, half a pound of cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 tablespoon of mustard. Before you begin cooking, be sure to wash your hands and wear appropriate clothing. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Bring a pot of water to a boil and let your pasta cook. While your pasta is boiling, shred the Colby Jack, cheddar, and mozzarella cheese and place it into a bowl. Then, remove your pasta from the boiling water once al dente. Next, in a saucepan on medium heat, add in your butter until melted. Add in half of your salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic into the butter and mix it together. Then add in your flour and immediately start whisking until the flour is smooth. Next, add in your milk and cream and mix until the sauce has thickened. Add the other half of your seasonings and your mustard. Then add in half of your cheese and mix until melted. Once the cheese has melted, add your pasta to the sauce and mix until the pasta is covered. Next, in a casserole dish, layer out your mac and cheese, alternating between your pasta and your cheese. Place the dish in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes and broil on low for 5 minutes. Remove your dish from the oven and enjoy. Mac and cheese is the perfect addition to your Thanksgiving table this year. This has been Priscilla Piñate cooking with SNN.
Thanks, Priscilla. That looks delicious, but a little cheesy. What even is al dente?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. It's when the pasta is cooked so as to be still firm when bitten.
Seniors, it's time to order your caps and gowns, graduation announcements, 2025 senior memorabilia, and senior class jewelry. Order at jostens.com.
Electronic devices must be turned off and put away during instructional time on campus. You are permitted to have devices out during brunch and lunch. If you have an open period, devices must remain off and away.
You are not permitted to leave campus during brunch unless it is the end of your academic day or if upperclassmen have a signed off-campus permission form.
PTSO scholarships are now open. To be eligible, you must be a senior with a GPA of 2.5 or higher and a current member of the PTSO. You must be a member as of next Friday, November 22nd, by 4 p.m. in the office or online by midnight. Applications will be available on the week of December 16th. Applications and essays are due Friday, January 31st.
That's all for today. I'm Nita Ripoll. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Cardan. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.